Good morning, my dear viewers. The special good morning who is watching my video classes. So I'm going to teaching the English grammar for 10th class. It's not only the 10th class students. It was utilizing for who is the preparing the competitive examinations also. The TET, DSC, likewise the competitive examinations. It was utilizing the English grammar. And the first, my dear children, just observe. If you want to the learning the English grammar, first you need to understand the how many the kinds of sentences. So yesterday already I was explained the 5 kinds of sentences. That is, the first one is declarative or assertive sentence, and second one is imperative, interrogative, exclamatory, and then objective sentences. Like for example, we have the 5 kinds of the sentences already I was explaining the yesterday. So just observe what I am teach the yesterday. So the video also is there. So the first to end you have to watching that video. So in that the 5 kinds of you have today we have the objective the type bits. Objective type bits. Just I am asking that the questions. I am going to explaining the objective type bit. The first question is, what does an assertive sentence make? What does an assertive sentence make? So here the options we have the 4 options here. The first one is order, and second one is the statement, and third one is the inquiry, and D for the sudden feeling. My dear children, already I was explained yesterday the order where we are using the order, where we are using imperative. Imperative sentence always it was the starting the V1 and end with the full stop. In that imperative sentence, order, command, advice, and request. That is only we are using the order, the word. And the second one is the statement. The second one statement means already I told assertive sentence or declarative sentence will give and will explain the statement. The statement means the starting with the subject and end with the full stop. The statement assertive or declarative sentence will give the positive statement or negative statement. So and then the C inquiry. The C inquiry. Where we are inquiry? If you are interrogating some other the persons, in that only we are using the inquiry option. And then the sudden feeling. Where we are using the sudden feeling? Where we are using the sudden feeling? The exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. So now what is the answer to here? What does an assertive sentence make? What is the answer here? The statement. What is the answer here? Statement. Why? Because assertive or declarative sentence always give the positive statement and the negative statement. It was starting only with the subject and with the full stop. Okay, my dear children. And then the second one is how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. How beautiful the Taj Mahal is. It was very easy to recognize and easy to identification the answer. Why? Because how beautiful Taj Mahal is. The last one, exclamatory mark we have. What is that? The last we have only the exclamatory mark. Where we are using exclamatory mark, immediately you are catching the answer. Okay. Now option is the first A interrogative, and second one is assertive, and third one is imperative, and D is exclamatory mark. Interrogative, asking the questions. Interrogative, asking the questions. Okay. And then assertive. Assertive means already now when I told you, I explained. Assertive, giving statement, positive statement and negative statement. And then imperative. Imperative means order, command, request, advice. And then exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory means how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. How your expression exclamatory sentence. So answer, what is the answer here? Exclamatory sentence. Did you understand, my dear children? Okay, very good, very good, very good. Now, and third one is, what is the third one here, please? What is the third one here? The sun rises in the east. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Just observe, my dear children. If you observe carefully, the answer automatically you can identify the answer immediately. The sun rises in the east. Here, the sentence starting with the subject and with the full stop. Already I told you that what is it? The starting with the subject and with the full stop. It is in, we are calling the assertive or the declarative. Now, option also here. The first option, imperative. Imperative sentence. Don't forget order, command, advice, okay, and requesting imperative. And it was starting V1 and with the full stop. In that imperative sentence, there is no subject. There is no subject. That's why starting with that V1 word and with the full stop. And exclamatory. Exclamatory means the sudden feelings. And interrogative, asking the question. And assertive, giving the statement, positive or negative, whatever you have, positive or negative, giving the statement. So that's why, what is the answer here? What is the question? The sun rises in the east. What is the answer? Assertive sentence. Did you understand, my dear children? Very good, very good. Now we'll go for fourth one. Yes. Fourth one is, what is that question? Fourth one is, an interrogative sentence is. What is the fourth question? Just observe. If you observe, the answer will be there. You have immediately your identification the answer. The fourth one, an interrogative sentence. Fourth one is, what is that? Interrogative sentence. The option is here, express your sudden feeling. Express your sudden feeling. And then the B, makes a request. And C, seeks information. And D, order. D is order. Okay. Now I'm going to explain. Express your sudden feeling. Where we are using the sudden feeling? Exclamatory mark. Okay. Now B is makes a request. Makes a request means what we are observed. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always is telling makes a request, order, advice, and then the seeks information. The seeks information means how we are taking information. If you are asking the question some other persons, for example, in the class, the teacher will asking the question to the student. The students will give the answer. So, if you are asking the question, some other person, the person will give the answer. So, that is we are calling interrogative sentence. And then order. The order means imperative. Order means imperative. Imperative means command, order, and request. Likewise, only we are asking that imperative sentence. So, what is the answer here? My dear children, just observe. I don't want to tell the answer. Please tell the answer here. Give the answer. What is the answer? Yes, very good. Seeks information. Seeks information. So why? Because the information means interrogative sentence. When we are interrogating some other person, he has to give the information, certain the answer. Okay. Now, my dear children, I am going to asking the one question to here. I am going to asking that first. The fifth one is don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Here I wrote one sentence here about don't waste your time. What is the sentence, my dear children? Just observe. I told you, if you observe very clearly, the answer will be there. Don't waste your time. It is not a It is not a question mark. It is not a exclamatory mark. And then it is not an order. Yes, very good. So it is a order and command and advice, and then so likewise we are calling, what is the answer to be here? Imperative sentence. What is the answer? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence always giving order, commanding, advice and request. Order, commanding, advice and request. So if you are taking the giving the order, giving the advice, that is only we are calling the imperative sentence. So here just after, don't waste your time. Don't waste. So sometimes we are asking and we are giving the advice. My dear children, please don't waste your time. The fulfillment your the homeworks today in your at your home. So likewise only we are giving the advice. So if you are giving the advice, that sentence what we are telling, the imperative sentence. So my dear children, so likewise only we have the five the kinds sentences. If you are observing very clearly the starting to ending this video, just we are immediately identification and recognition that five the kinds of the sentences how we are using. So my dear children, it was the utilizing that the competitive examinations also TET or DSC, likewise the competitive examinations. So my dear children, just observe and write that the correct statement. So thank you very much, and the next tomorrow also will explain the next topic and new topic. So thanks for the watching my video. Thank you very much.